Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. It wouldn't be a normal video if Dexter didn't decide that he had to come up as soon as I start talking. Okay, I love having Dexter appearances in my video. But so today I'm trying out another ShopMissA product. So this is from the brand AOA Studio, which is seriously one of my top favorite makeup brands, and it's the ShopMissA kind of private label ShopMissA exclusive brand. So here I have the Glow Baby Liquid Highlighter, and this is one of the charitable foundation products or charity edition. So it cost $1.55. That's it. Although typically ShopMissA products are only $1, they do have these select charitable items that are the Paw Paw. So part of proceeds protect animals against abuse. And ShopMissA products are all cruelty-free. And I got this in the shade Morning Glow, but this actually comes in 5 different shades. They're all very similar types of shades in my opinion. This one I think might be a little bit lighter than the other ones, but they're all this kind of bronzy glow. But I love liquid highlighters like this. I have a bunch in my collection, but I'm always happy to try out more because they're so versatile. When the weather warms up and I'm actually showing a little bit more skin than like a neck, I like to mix this in with my body lotion to just add some subtle glow sheen to the body. But so since I'm not showing, any body skin, I am gonna actually mix this in with my foundation and see what kind of glow that gives. But I was looking this up on the ShopMissA website, and this is so high rated. It has so many ratings and a full 5 stars, which makes me very excited. But first things first, I want to do a little swatch and see how this color looks. Ooh, I love this shade. This actually matches my skin tone pretty well. So I'm just kind of blending it out to see how it would look on its own. Oh, that's actually very wearable. Like, it's not too Tin Man looking. So you could definitely just wear this alone all over the skin. But like, I'm not sure if you can kind of see the difference in my hands. Like, this just looks so glowy and hydrated. So I love the effect that this has. But so for my foundation, I chose the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. I love this foundation, but I wanted to choose a foundation that doesn't already have like glow to it and that has the pump so that I can mix the liquid highlighter with the foundation. So I just did a pump on the back of my hand, and since I see that it's not too Tin Man-like, I'm gonna add a couple drops in with the foundation here. So I feel like maybe it's like half as much liquid highlighter to the amount of foundation here. And then I'm just gonna mix on the back of my hand. All right, and let's see how it looks. All right, so I'm just focusing the foundation on half of my face right now so that we can see how it looks compared to my bare skin. But oh my gosh, I am loving this. It really does add the perfect amount of healthy glow radiance without looking too unnatural. I just keep thinking of like Tin Man because I have tried out liquid highlighters that make me look like the Tin Man with just way too much metallicness to the skin. But this doesn't do that at all. It's just the perfect healthy radiance. Like, you can't even really tell that there's highlighter mixed in with the foundation, and that's what I like. I want it to look like natural radiance. So it doesn't have like sparkle shimmer. It just has that beautiful glow. So Cover FX makes amazing glow drops that I have and I love and I use a lot, but this is like a $1 dupe for those because it seriously gives like the same effect, or I guess $1.55 dupe, but like wow. And I think this Morning Glow shade is perfect for me and my fair skin because it didn't darken my foundation at all. It basically is the same shade as my foundation, so it's the perfect highlighter to mix in. But seriously, like, look at my skin. I am obsessed with how this looks. This is just so ideal. It's amazing. Like, my skin looks perfect. Perfect amount of sheen and glow. But now I really want to try this as a highlighter. So here I'm saying like my skin has the perfect amount of glow. It does, but I'm not going to stop there. I want to just take some of this onto my finger and apply it onto the cheekbones. Look at that glow. I'm trying to see. I think it might be lifting the foundation a little bit though. And that can definitely happen with liquid highlighters where it kind of moves the foundation underneath. And I think I'm seeing that slightly. And like really with the highlighter on top versus without it, like I still have the glow to my skin. So I think I would prefer to just mix this in with my foundation to get the glow, since it does slightly lift the foundation. Or if you're not wearing foundation, you could just apply it to bare skin right to where you want to highlight, because it does look very beautiful. Aside from slightly removing the foundation, it looks very smooth on the skin, and it has that glow sheen without looking like a streak of shimmer. So this is definitely the type of highlighter that I prefer. Maybe I just want to see if I apply it with my sponge here to my cheek, if maybe it doesn't lift the foundation as much. So let's test that out on the other side. That might work a little bit better. Yeah, I feel like that this technique didn't remove the foundation as much, but just like I can notice it, especially since I have such redness on my cheeks. I notice a little bit more of like the redness showing. And so I especially don't want to remove any of the coverage from my cheeks here. But there's no denying how beautiful this glow is. And I cannot believe that you get this glow for $1.55. It seriously is the same as those beautiful high-end liquid highlighters that I love. This gives the exact same effect, if not better, because I love this Morning Glow shade. So I definitely am gonna have to repurchase this and stock up on this because I want to use it on my body. I want to use it mixed in with my foundation every day because I am just amazed with how my skin is looking. So let me know in the comments down below your favorite way to use liquid highlighter. Do you mix it in with your body lotion, your foundation? I just love how versatile it is, so I'd love to hear some tips in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.